Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 6 minus 2, then again 6 divide 3. So most people solve this question like 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, then multiply 6 divide 3 is equal to 2. Now 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So is equal to 6 minus 2. Here is the first we have to solve this parenthesis. 6 divided 3 is equal to 2. Okay. Now in this question, one is subtraction, one multiplication. So according to the PEMDAS, second priority is multiplication. So 6 minus 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, the correct answer is 2. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.